Yes, we are live now. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, we are
yeah,
live. One
we are
second,
live.
bro. I'm just
Okay,
giving you the link.
okay. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, we are
yeah,
live. One
we are
second,
live.
bro. I'm just
Okay,
giving you the link.
okay.
Yeah, yeah, we are
Yeah,
live.
we
One
are live.
second, bro. I'm just
Okay,
giving you the link.
okay. I'll call it. Copy the link and give it to our the other ones. And if they want to come from YouTube, give it on YouTube. Okay, paste. That one here. Paste. Okay, that one. Paste. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah, the link is done, and we can put it in our Discord as well. So say if they want to come with now, now. DaVinci is now. Okay, so given the link there, given the link there, given the link there. Yeah, we given the link. We given the link too.
Yeah, guys are joining.
Okay. Ruben had asked because he's at work. You might. Paste. Okay. There we are. Done. So Ruben given as well. Now this Telegram we can just minimize it. We don't need it. Now Marmik is here. Welcome. Marmik is I think his auntie Kala is having cataract. So he's probably sitting in the car park in the hospital and logging in. It's very good of him. Okay. So we got comments coming. Okay. Private chat. Okay. Marmik is from mobile. Okay. So, Nishalva, okay. Yeah, we're looking at comments. Yeah, we'll leave comments, and if any private message, we can shout.
Yeah, yeah, I'll read it.
Jack's just opened, little bit up. Okay. Okay. Delhi, Ekaro, welcome. You can all hear or whatever. Pawan is here as well. Okay, fine. Okay. Ahmed. Okay. Yeah. Ahmed is here as well. Good, 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 good. So our idea SLP was okay.
Yeah, the short. Yeah,
Yeah, and last night when we were talking in the chat na, the virtual na, I added to it na, Nishant at I think 4351 area. I
okay,
closed
okay,
I closed that with 8 handles na,
okay.
and the other one I think I closed with 4 handles na.
Right,
The 43 I think 434 can't say it. My God, better read
correct,
it.
correct.
4343 yes I could say na. Yeah, 4343. Yeah, that closed off with 4. So it basically back 12 handles na.
Right, right.
And what we told them with the gold yesterday with the MOB and down and bias and it done the job. It done the job. It's done the job already. So today oil inventories might be fun. We will see now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
gold is now at 1798. Yeah, MOB level.
Huh? Because we told them we were at around 1803, 1804 area now, and we
Correct,
were
correct.
getting out and He's saying this 1798 area or whatever. No, it's done it. It's done it.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
But yesterday was an odd day, Nishant Bhai.
Yeah, no movement actually.
Nothing. I mean, even without news, we get some move. This was like
Yeah.
watching paint dry, you know? And this one is what S&P, yeah? Nishant Bhai, like a wobbly head and shoulder in formation,
Correct.
because you can see the poke and that. So we see what they do to the real time now. Uh, okay, so okay, Tamil is here as well. Abhishek is here as well. Good morning, Abhishek. Abhishek, I think she said is New Delhi, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
New Delhi. Kola Purano, Kola something. We started with a K anyway.
Hmm.
Yeah, Nishant, I thought like we were talking yesterday, do 60 levels, yeah. Okay, the
Right.
levels are done, and then it takes me like around 3 hours to post it, yeah.
Okay.
Make do post, make do post, make do post now.
Yeah.
Because we put in our Discord, then we put it in the Telegram, and we put it in for Prabha as well now, and things like that, yeah. And we reality is, except for the few that reply back, like Kayur and Abhishek and Ahmad and everybody, we know who is watching them or using
Right.
them.
Right. Exactly.
The rest we don't know.
Yeah, yeah. We don't. I mean,
Using
yeah,
it
we don't
or
know who is using it.
nothing, or are they even looking at it? Is it worth sacrificing 3 hours every day, which I've been doing like a donkey? Huh? So better is we do a live morning call, and we can go through all the levels, and they can take a screenshot or whatever, and
No, no, absolutely. And
huh?
it'll be recorded anyway in YouTube, so they can refer it.
Nishant by order field, yeah, S&P as well, another one.
Okay.
It just shouted order field, yeah. So good, done. Okay, so that way then we know how many are coming and who is using the daily levels.
Right. That's right. But
Huh?
yeah.
Otherwise, it's pointless putting it, and nobody is looking at doing Gaza Majuri for nothing, yeah.
Correct. Correct. And also, anyway, it will be when we do this webinar or streaming,
Huh?
it will come on YouTube, so they can refer it again if they want.
Because they can just look back, and if they didn't manage to screenshot it or whatever, look at it, and they have it. And
Yeah.
possibly little ideas as to what we say with it, it might help them a bit better,
That's right. That's right.
more interactive.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so
Actually,
Nishant,
uh,
our DAX, yeah, DAX has just opened, yeah. So let us see on DAX. Look, 15669.50. We are about 40 points in the green.
green. Yeah. Yeah.
It's 40 points green. So if they are happy, they should bank it.
Right. Right.
Huh? Because 40 points is 40 points. And what we said, the idea we were saying yesterday is that when DAX opens and falls, yeah, for example,
Right.
when the FTSE opens in 1 hour, yeah, or in
Right.
41 minutes, it will do the opposite, yeah.
Opposite. Okay. Okay.
So better to bank it, and then we see again, yeah.
Yeah.
And Nishant Bhai, that was a hint, by the way, yeah. Okay. That was a hint, yeah. That was a hint. Oh God. What, like Shakespeare, what did he say?
Yeah.
What a tangled web we weave when they set out to deceive. But we are not setting out to deceive. We are just being straight. The Nishant Bhai, if you want to bank it, bank
Yeah.
it. If you want to bank it, bank it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Simple as, yeah. There's
They
no.
got the message.
Uh, I'm on desperation. I've got. This is the only 2 packets of Gutka left. Yeah. So later, I'll just disappear for a little bit, grab a few boxes, and come back. Okay. So, and whenever S&P Globex makes like either pop up or pop
Okay.
down, and then usually in the real time it fizzles out.
Okay. Okay.
So even like tepid, everyone, Larry, everyone will say the same. They use the same terminology in that Globex or futures can lie,
Yeah.
ca- cash cannot. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So many times you see like a pop up or pop down. It's like -20, -30, or -40, and then when the real time starts, it retraces it all back. No?
Right. Right.
So sometimes you can use that idea to take a contra trade, with
Yeah.
it, instead of saying, "Oh, trend is down and it is falling," and then real time opens and pop, you know. So everybody, okay, DY is from Singapore. Okay, so um, if you guys, do I need to add them to the stream, Nishan Bhai?
Uh, no need by. I think they can
Okay,
have the message
okay.
there. If
Because
they
in
want
private
to,
chat, if they really feel they must ask something, then
yeah, they can. Yeah.
they can ask us and we can do it. Otherwise, we might end up with like a fish market, no?
Correct. Correct.
Aha, Ruben is good man. Wait, magandang hapon. How do you say ano waluman? Yeah, welcome, ano waluman. Okay, so that live call is done. Oil inventories. I want to buy the dip now,
Yeah. Yeah.
and we are looking kind of like the 73 area, Nishan Pai.
Correct. Correct. Yesterday 73. Yeah.
73 we have said, yeah. And in the daily levels, I put like a cryptic clue in there, yeah.
Right. Right.
I couldn't put it exactly at 73 because of the numbering.
Correct.
So around 73.95 in the daily levels in oil that I posted in the morning, I'll put a black circle, a black circle, a cryptic clue, a cryptic clue, because those who value it can have it, Nishan Pai.
Right. Right. Exactly.
Huh? Otherwise, it is just becoming. You're telling everyone buy here, sell here. Nah? If you come here,
Exactly.
they will get the live trade. If they're in Discord, they will get the live trade. Yeah.
That's correct.
But the other, like 20,000 and 50,000 hanging around in Telegram, why give it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
I
They
agree.
don't even have the they don't even have the courtesy to say hello, thank you, or good morning, or anything. They don't.
Absolutely.
They don't deserve it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh? Reload.
And next time we'll automate these levels by so that we can do it
Ha.
of in
Oh,
uh,
yeah. that,
10
will,
minutes.
that will make me 30 years younger, Nishant
No,
bhai.
no, I'll do it. I'll do it.
My mustache will be like this. It's drooping. It's drooping now.
But we have to just wait for various instruments to open up, like
Ah,
India and all. After
okay.
the open, we get the levels.
That's fine because look,
Yeah, yeah,
we can schedule the morning call after footsie or whatever.
correct.
So that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. It's fine. Okay, so anybody, any questions, anything, whatever other. So what we do is let us scroll through, and we see what the market is saying or doing or not doing. Yeah, S&P. Okay, yeah, we were looking at the S&P anyway. Yeah, so LOC is kind of a target. Yeah, and we are at the halfway mark. And if I do like that, they can see all the levels. Nishant Pai, when they
Right,
look at the video, na?
right.
And keep in mind, always watch what happened before. Yeah, so
Always get.
that can give you an idea as well that this area was important yesterday. Is it important now or not? Yeah. So have similar situation and make it again into that. Okay. So it's done the move basically. If you overnight shorters, yeah, we wait and see what happens after with the FTSE. Nasdaq. Nasdaq is sleeping, Nishant Bhai.
Sleeping, absolutely. Same like last night.
It is sleeping, and the other day we can see it was going up like a rocket and then came
Oh,
down. It's going sideways. निशान भाई lucky number पे है.
Yeah.
It is playing Bismillahirrahmanirrahim 786.
Yeah.
You know.
786.
Yeah, 786. So maybe a good opportunity. We wait for it. We let it say its prayer, yeah. We let it
Yeah.
say its prayer, you know. Then we make it pray instead of it making us pray, you know. Okay, Nasdaq,
DAX.
DAX. Okay, so we can tell everyone in here that DAX trade is closed, yeah, because you know
Yeah.
then
Exactly.
then there is no what we say is
Confusion.
confusion. You should now be flat with at least 40 DAX points. And today is the 8th of July 21. Yeah. Um, okay. Where are we? Okay. Okay. And we can say sure. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Trade is done. Date is done as well. Yesterday we had done it, and today it is closed. Yeah.
Closed. Yeah.
So after that, you can say, "Oh, but I didn't know." Now you know. You know. Nifty. Okay. All dogs in tow with Okay. 15, 818 bib. Bob and bib. Yeah. 818. Okay. FTSE. Okay.
LOC.
LOC, and we're waiting for FTSE to open. Nah?
Open. Yeah.
So, and our premise is when FTSE opens, it might do like that, and then, or it might just do up. Yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, that is what it usually does.
Right.
And that is when you get like a turn in the DAX as well. Nah?
Okay.
So we wait on that. CAC, I don't know. CAC, I don't think any guys here look at it. Yeah, nobody looks at CAC. Nikkei. Okay, Nikkei is there. 2808, looking like 288 businesses. Nishan, but
Right. 288. Yeah.
Bob Bib, Bob here. Wait, what happened there? Okay, SPI, we don't want trades. Okay, oil. We are here at oil, and we have put in the daily levels here, 73 area, yeah.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, it's in a range as well, no?
Range. Exactly.
We are here, so it's marking.
Almost like DAX yesterday
And
morning.
main move will be popping. What you say, the
Inventory time.
no? So we can either wait for the pop or up or down, and then add either a short from above or a buy from below. Brent will be similar situation, yeah.
Yeah. Same.
And guys, with oil and things like that, I don't know, depending on brokers as well, but you only got 1 week for the contract to end, yeah. Usually around the 14th or the 15th is when the oil contract monthly ends, yeah. So be careful. In some brokers, they take it to the real date around the 21st, yeah. But be very careful on that, yeah. And if you're using CL and that, it will happen to you, and depending on your broker. But say like, for example, Axie, WTI or whatever, it never ends. It's continuous, yeah. So if you take a oil trade and have to hold it, be aware that do they expire your contract or they don't expire your contract, yeah. Prasad, welcome. Somebody called Cool. Somebody called Cool is here. Okay. Oh, Cool is gone. Okay. Gold, silver, we are here. Okay. Need to watch it here. 25.50 is very important in silver, yeah. Need to watch that. Cool is back. As you guys come, new fellows, especially or whatever, do make a comment, and from everyone, I do expect, of course, comment and on our YouTube, at least to make us feel good and whatever. After you watch the video, put in the comment section, a comment, a honest one though, a honest one though. Okay, so gold. What are we doing in gold? Okay, we've done. You're at the MOB area, and this is where we had told them to short. Yeah, and
Right,
put a line in
exactly.
the middle. So this trade is done. Yeah,
Done.
it's done. Okay, it's done. But now, what next? Yeah. So let's wait a little bit. Of course, we need to watch 1792 and 1788. Yeah. This area, especially 1788, 1775. Sorry, 1788, 1785 area. You can look to take a small long, or if it doesn't break that, you can look to take a scalp long. Yeah. All guys okay with that? But at the moment, the job is done. We are waiting. We are waiting. Yeah. Gold futures, where are they now? Similar. It will be the same. Yeah, it will be the same. Yeah. There's only Nishant Bhai is like about 1 point differences. Yeah.
Right, right. Yeah.
Between the future and that one. Okay. So guys who have been using daily levels, what do you do now? This is AUD. What do you do now? Write in the comment sections. Yeah. Everyone is quiet. Nishant Bhai. I think we have this bimari, in that when you ask, you don't really get an answer for 3 hours, Remember, come on,
Yeah.
Hurry up, answer the ustad, answer the ustad, my God. Go sleeping sickness. Aha,
Marmik. Yes.
Marmik, well done. So you wait for F2. If it doesn't break F2 and the move is finished, you look for the V shape and then you can do it. And what you do, as soon as, remember, you look at the daily levels before, in fact, we do what we need to do is I make sure that you get the C2 as well. Yeah. Okay. You got the C2 as well. So before you do anything, what we have said is you must draw the lines in the middle. Yes. So do that. Do that. Yeah. Do that first. And then if it doesn't break this area, you can use it and look, it's in a range as well. Yeah. Small, but a range is a range. Small, big, whatever is a range. Yeah. And we wait for it. It doesn't break it, then you see if this target comes and this target, but you're looking for a pop-up. Yeah. A pop-up kind of thing. Okay. So the reason I'm asking what you do and all that is to see that we've been going through how to use daily levels. That if anyone has come even new, at least they'll get a snippet and idea how to use it. Yeah. Okay. Euro USD, similar thing. Doesn't break F1. Look for it to go up a bit, and again it's in a range bound thing. So we wait and see. Any data coming today?
Financial juice.
Okay. And Nishant Bhai, they all have the Discord link as well, no?
Yeah, they have.
Yeah. So all you guys, what you can do as well to save bother kind of thing. But like you come from Prabhal's room or any Telegram room that you are in, yeah. I or us here, we have no intention or benefit or any kind of thing that we are trying to pull you from there into us kind of thing. But just for maybe it might help you, you can come in our Discord room on the trader side and be active there. And if you come and because I'm up from 2-3 in the morning and things like that, you can come in there and say hello and be active. Because in there, while I'm doing live trades or everything, before you even come here, you might have done something, and we know you are there. And I want you to be as active as you are in the Telegram groups that you are in. because I know where you come from. If I see a change in your character, in that you have stopped posting there or talking or whatever, if you are in our Discord room, without question, I will tell you and I'll kick you out, because our intention is for you to be where you are as well and also be with us. That makes sense, Nishan Paina.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We need some activity basically.
We need activity, but say like they've come from Vipin's telegram room, or they've come from Prabha's telegram room.
Probably,
Yeah?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Those people have done us a courtesy in that we can put our levels there. We are guests there. They give us the honor and the respect and everything, and then it looks like we are touting his members. Yeah.
Absolutely not. Yeah, yeah.
Huh?
That's,
We don't. That's why I'm saying that if I see a change in their character and they are sitting in Discord with us and not talking there, we will kick them out from
yeah,
Discord.
yeah, yeah.
Back to
Right.
where you came, back to where you came from. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you must promise me that there should be no disruption into wherever you come from. Yeah. Not only Prabha and Vipin, because that is the decent thing. We are not here marketing. Come to us. Come to us. Nah? You come, you are more than welcome. If you don't come, it's even good. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Yeah.
There's no compulsion. My uncle who passed away in London. I think Marmik will understand. Of course, you will understand. But he would say, "Jo ghare aavo to saro, na aavo to enati vadu saro." Meaning, if you come to my house, good, and if you don't come, even better. He was a joker. No, he'd say that. Okay, yes, DCHF, nothing as well. Cable, what are we doing today? Okay. So, cable as well. Look for the area and let's have a look at the higher frame. What has it done before? Okay. So this is the line we were, and it popped up and came here. We got the triangle we were looking yesterday as well. We said, yeah, and remember we said think of it like those circles and things and everything. Now, if it comes around this area, you need to watch. Does it make like a double bottom? If it does and make a V shape, then you can go up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And H1 will be same story. We are watching the 30. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you got the numbers there. Euro JP, what is happening? Okay. So now we are below F2. What do? You have to wait until it finishes that move totally. It seals the low of the day or the move. Then you can look to buy it. Otherwise, you just watch until it stops. Don't guess it. Don't guess it. Let it tell you. Let the market tell you. Yeah. And of course, you guys know how to do the TSR and also the men running and the traffic jam and the policemen and all that. So you have to apply everything together. Yeah. Apply together. Same thing here again. Wait and see. Seeds it. And then you can get in. Yeah. F4. Yeah. Look, it's F2. Okay. Dailies. Okay. So we know this area here is important, is crucial, yeah? Is important, yeah? Then zoom in and wait and see, yeah? And data-wise, check out what's going to happen today, anything major, yeah? And all the daily levels, obviously, after, you will be able to get from watching the video, and you can, I suppose, mute my sound off, and just get the levels, yeah? Okay. Do keep on asking away as well. I'm quickly looking. Dele, if I tell you I have to come to Kogi State and shoot you, Okay, TV. Okay. Yeah, need to wait as well. And we need to, same thing again as the AUD, we said watch it here. And F2 is here. So we have to wait and see, yeah? And remember we were saying the classic one yesterday, that the guys, it is a downtrend.
Yeah.
High, higher, low, higher, low, higher, low. There's a pullback and say, I'll short it, and it does dung. Yeah. So watch that. Be careful on that, because that's how the wrong foot you. And for now, I want you only to think of not only trend or trend line or trend down or trend up. Think of it first as a channel. Yeah. A market has three stages. Yeah. Do you know what the three stages are in a market? On types of market, you have three types of three stages, we can say. Any of you guys here hazard to take a guess? Okay. Right. So Nishant, bhai, you look at the, I think, the comments, and I'm
Yeah,
looking at
I'm looking at, yeah, I'm looking at the comments.
because Prashant said something uptrend or something. I missed it on what he was saying an uptrend. Yeah. So any of you guys want to hazard a guess on to the three stages of a market? No? Okay. So I'll put you out of your misery. You have three stages of conditions, yeah? You have a ranging market, you have a trending market, or you have a market which is in a channel. So I'm telling you to think of it first as a channel, then look for a trend, yeah? That will keep the breathing space for you in your trade, in your mind better, rather than a set stop or whatever, yeah? A fixed thing. Okay, Looney Tunes will have popped, I think. Yeah. Okay, yes, it's popped. Yeah. So now we are at C1 and C2. C2 is like roughly 38 points above. Yeah. And we said it walks like a camel. So let it make its neck or whatever. And when it stops, you can do the V shape and do a short on it. Yeah. But for now, watch it because it's touching C1. We missed a little bit of a move, doesn't matter. The idea is to safety, yeah, not to do heroics. It's better to be a live coward than a dead hero in the market. This way, you live to trade another day. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, they got all the levels on that. Okay. EuroCAD again. Yes, it's going like a bullet. Need to watch the C2 area and see this line here from yesterday is perfect in the middle as well. Yeah. So always look at the line beforehand as well. Okay, Euro AUD, similar situation, and here we can say is like a policeman, yeah.
Yeah.
So this area is very important. Plus, we got the line just above it, and we can say policeman, yeah. So if it breaks that, then we can say okay, even think of it as a breach or whatever, and we wait and see how and where it stops, and then we can look to do a pullback, yeah. Do a pullback. Okay, so oops, I always do this. I've been using this thing for ages, but I always click the wrong button first, you know. Okay, and might help. Yeah, okay. So there we are. We got the levels. Okay. Percent buy, downtrend, consolidation, overbought, ranging, doji, morning star, evening star. Those are all just labels. Yeah, you can give it any label you like, any label. But look at it, trade what you see, not what you think. Idea, you know? You can give any label to anything. So best is say bias is up, bias is down, like that, no? And you're right, consolidation, everything is fine, no? But don't get married to labels too much, yeah? Because a shirt is a shirt. Doesn't matter if it's Ralph Lauren or Polo or from Joe Blogs or clothes is clothes, yeah? Clothes is clothes kind of thing. Okay, AUDJP, we are well below F2, yeah? It's still pointing down. So similar thing again, we need to watch. And it's doing the higher high, higher lows, as you say as well, yeah? Okay. So any questions or whatever, shout away, yeah? Okay. GBP CHF LOC, again you have to wait, and we got this round semicircle, and we can draw a line here, and F1 we need to wait and see if it gets there or not. And we got this area here which has some pocket a double top, triple top, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, stop and down. But other one as well is count the number of pips in between. Has it got juice for you to trade? Yeah, that is important. Just don't look at the chart and say buy, and then the spread is such that you are sitting there all day praying that please give me one more pip to get out. Yeah, Euro NZD. Okay, nice. Ah, going up C2 area again. We need to look at. Yeah, good. At least there is movement today, Nishant bhai.
Right, right.
There is some movement today, which is good. Yeah. And at the moment, we are giving them like a morning call kind of thing, rise and shine kind of thing, idea
Correct.
that what we are looking and a little bit of a perspective, yeah.
Right.
So it gives a little bit of a bias and an idea and everything, and then they have to, with all these levels, they watch the video and they are looking at the live charts as well, and then they have to pick and choose as to which one agrees with them.
Exactly. Yeah.
You don't have to trade everyone. You can say this is looking the best for me today. I will do this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh? So it's better. It's better that way because you know you take 10 trades and your account can't hold even one trade.
Yeah.
It's playing kamikaze. I mean, you're playing Russian roulette. Yeah.
Right.
And then you come and say Nishant Pai and Zarif Pai, they gave us wrong advice. And yeah, yes, we did. You need castor oil. You need castor oil. Advice is very easy to give, very hard to take. Very hard
Correct.
to supply castor oil. I remember when we used to be kids and ill, nah? Oh,
Just to
the
make you drink it.
teacher in the school, yo, every week or whatever, whether you were ill or not, and he didn't pick a set day. Now you went in an assembly and he came out with these bottles of castor oil and everybody 2 spoon. Nah? Oh God. Oh, oh, oh. And then I don't know which idiot told my mom or whatever. Nah? You know those those Code Liver capsules,
Correct. Correct.
fish
Cod liver.
capsules.
Yeah. Yeah. Fish oil.
Oh man, those round bloody with jelly, the plasticky cover thing, yeah. And she would put about 3 or 4 and before going to bed and in warm milk, yeah. You say to drink the milk with those ones. Oh my God, it was a killer, Nishan Bhai.
Yeah.
You want
Yeah.
to vomit. You want to vomit. Okay. GBP NZD. Okay, so these later will give nice pullbacks as well. Even if you miss it and it tops out, and then you can do a short run. Yeah. Okay, AUD NZD like AUD JP, but it's slower. Yeah, it's slower. AUD JP and are near below F2. These are coming down. Yeah. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, yeah, F1 area. Okay. So, no one got any questions or anything?
They all know your daily levels very well, by.
Okay. Aha. Legend is Sami. Sami, na? Walaikum salam, Sami. Walaikum salam. Yeah. Walaikum salam. Okay. ADCHF. Aha. F below F2 as well. So these, as long as you stay patient and not feel that, oh, I missed the move, well, you can say, yes, you missed a move. But if you don't want to miss the move, then you have to sacrifice sleep and wake up at 3 in the morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can basically get in the market anytime. Nah? So it is doing its move. When it's finished, just be patient and then get in. Nah? Get in. But don't this one is we can say is coming down. Don't follow the herd. It's falling down. Let me jump in. That becomes a FOMO trade. Yeah.
Correct.
And the chances are when you jump in the sell here, it will give you little profit and you get greedy and say it's going to here and then it does a spike up, yeah. And then you start praying, you become a good. Old traders are very religious, they pray a lot. They remember God more than
God remembers them.
Yeah, I mean, it's like the bishop or the priest, preaching on the Sunday service. He cannot make you believe in God, but market can make you have faith in God, because
Yeah.
you said God's name so many times in the day, that even God gets tired. Okay. Yeah, I remember the silly joke. Yeah, this is GBP Yeah. Um, Basically, what happened was a priest died. Like a bishop. Yeah,
Right.
a bishop died and a taxi driver died,
Okay.
and they went up to the pearly gates, and Saint Peter was there.
Right.
So they set the taxi fellow down, and
Okay.
they put a golden robe on him and a crown on him, and all the food, and really pampering him and looking after him. Yeah, while they
Hmm.
are waiting for God to make a decision. And the bishop, they gave him like a sack, a old rice sack cloth to
Right.
wear,
Right.
and like a beggar.
Okay. Yeah.
So he called, he's getting upset afterwards, sitting there, and straight away the taxi drivers, they came, they took him, opened the gates of heaven and say, enter. And this
Okay.
guy is sitting there all day, and then he gets angry. He calls him, he said, do you know who I am? I am the bishop. I am next to God, all this. He said, no, God has said for you to wait.
Okay.
He said, but you treated that guy like a king when I am the king here, because
Right.
of my, vocation. And St. Peter said, here it is you go into heaven by results. He said, yeah, but I've been a preacher. He said, look, the difference between you is on Sunday when you used to preach, the whole congregation was snoring and sleeping.
Yeah.
The taxi man, every time he got a passenger and the way he used to drive, the passenger was shouting, oh my God, help me, oh my God, help me. So he made people believe more in God than you ever did. So you go to heaven by results. You go to heaven by results. Okay, GBP, Coco, even though no one trades, I always look at it, yeah? Okay, it's done a pop. Wait and see, yeah? Okay, GBK. Actually, all these crosses we've looked at either spiked up or spiked down.
Right.
Really, to be honest with you, those are really brilliant setups coming up, yeah?
Yeah.
So as long as you maintain patience and keep the gunpowder dry, you should do well. You should do well. And just, we closed the DAX with 40, yeah?
Yeah.
DAX is now at, say, 15,600, yeah? It is 70 points, double,
Correct.
near enough double, yeah? But
Yeah.
we banked it, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now we can do whatever it likes. Whatever it likes, yeah?
Right.
But our basic gist is that our bias was right. Our
Right.
perspective was
Exactly.
right. Yeah, we don't have to pick the exact top or bottom. We take a nibble out of it. It's okay. It's like you're swimming between the sharks. Yeah, in
Right.
an
Right.
and we are the little fish. We take little bites and we can have a good dive.
Correct. Correct.
We don't have to try and eat the whole shark. Yeah. Okay, Mexican. What are you doing? Mexican. Cup of tea business. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cup of tea, but we don't trade Mexican, or I don't think many do. Many do trade Mexican. The only reason I have Mexican on there is there used to be Roberto. He used to ask me, "Can you tell me Mexican?" Yeah, because he was in Mexico. Yeah,
Okay.
so and you will meet him as well, Luis. Luis Talavera,
Okay.
Harbano, my brother. Now because he asks me, because he is from actually, yeah, he is from Mexico as well. Yeah,
Okay.
Mexico, and then he moved to Puerto Rico, no? But now he's in France. No? He'll
Okay.
be coming as well. He's very absolute gentleman, but he used to trade it as well. But now he doesn't trade the Mexican, no? Because he's in France.
Okay.
And him, where he had a son. The son is now like 9 years old. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
he named him after me. I said,
Oh.
you silly man, you silly man. He said, no. Yeah, I've named him Zarif, Luis Talavera.
Oh,
And Sami Bai had a son and he named him after me as well.
wow.
Sami Bai's son was 12th of December 2012. And
Oh,
Luis was, I think, 2 years before that. Yeah.
okay, okay.
2 years before that. Yeah. 2 years before that. So, oops. Okay. Yeah. So, okay. And if, in case, I don't minimize a bit so you can't see the C1, C2s and things like that, do shout. Yeah. Yes, Sami, I've seen again. Yes, once again, no change in view. We are waiting for it, and today, like we said just before, if it gets to that 1780 area, 1788 area, 1780 area, you can take a small long as well, yeah. And then when it goes up, we know the area at 1808 is important, and 1812, 1814 is important, yeah. So no change there at all. Just a waiting game, just a waiting game, yeah. Just a waiting game. Vix, what are you doing? Waha, nice. Vix has done a nice pop, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Aha. It's nearly rechecking the spikes, yeah? See
Right,
if
right.
it breaks up, yeah?
Yeah.
But, but Vix is a crazy mover, Nishant Pai.
Okay.
This is nothing. This is very, very tame, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Because look at it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that is nothing as well. Nishant Pai, when you see it, you will see what I mean, 72 and whatever. Look.
Right, right. That too, the
Yeah.
crash, last year crash.
Yeah. Look at it from around 10 or 11 to 80, 81.
Yeah,
And then crazy move. But it is worth trading, Nishant Bhai.
right.
I do trade it quite often. But at the moment, because it's a volatility index, it doesn't have the volatility. Nishant
Correct,
Bhai.
correct. Yeah, it doesn't have it. Yeah.
It doesn't have the volatility, yeah? And what's the spread on it is over. It does move a lot, yeah? But
Right.
the spread is 7, yeah? But it is workable.
Okay.
It's quite easy to do it, yeah? It's quite easy to do it, yeah? And what happened there? Okay, yeah, so we need to close. How do we? I can't. Aha. Okay, I was trying to say where is. I was expecting the tab in to come in here, yeah, the box, but it came in the other screen.
The other one. Okay.
So I didn't know is it picture or is it real? Okay, this is USD ZAR. USD ZAR is going up. Now, if we think about this, gold is falling, yeah?
Right.
Huh? Relatively, yeah, relatively. Not we're saying that it's falling, but it's
Hmm.
retracing down a little bit, falling, yeah? So,
Right.
question to everybody here is what is important about USD ZAR? Which country is it and what is that country famous for? What is its economy based on? Nope, no answers. South Africa, yeah, Rand is South Africa, and
Gold mining.
South Africa is gold and diamond minings and precious metals, basically gold mines of the world. Yeah. Now, if gold is falling, how the hell is the rand going up?
Hmm.
Huh? You see
Yeah,
what I mean? Huh? Nishant bhai, you see what I mean? Yeah.
exactly.
So maybe I think somebody asked me a question about the dollar and the dollar index. If US dollar is going down and gold is going up, this is giving you the answer already to the question that look, gold
Correct.
is going down, yet rand is going up. Okay, so that was that. New Zealand CHF. Aha. Nice, nice. It's zunk down, yeah. Got one circle, little circle, and now we need to wait again. But today, to be honest with you, as long as you stay patient and not be the patient, after FTSE opens and maybe 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, half past 10, 11, 12, and especially when I go to buy my good car, when I go out, I give you a signal. When Zarif goes out, the market moves. Yeah, it's not my saying.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
you will have the best moves because I will not be here. Okay, so take advantage of it because when I come back, the market will go to sleep. And we don't have the power to control the market, but when we look at the market, we can make it stop. We can make it stop. The price stops moving. You saw it yesterday. It stopped. It just wouldn't move. It just wouldn't move. When you want it to perform, yeah,
Yeah.
and you rehearsed and everything, and you put a guy on the stage and he gets stage fright and he just can't
Correct.
sing. The mic starts to shake and he can't do anything. He loses his speech and everything. Yeah. So
Yeah.
the market yesterday did that to us.
Right,
Did
right.
that to us. New Zealand JP down as well. What's the dollar index doing? Okay, nothing much. Not even at highs. MOB just hugging it. Yeah. So again, you have to wait. Okay, copper, Dr. Copper, a little down, little down, yeah, little down. Okay, and platinum, similar situation as gold. Okay, and those guys who come in the room basically. You should know 108. You should know 1080. Yeah, 9 times 12. 9 times 12. Yeah, Nishan bhai, they should know. And I think they had the lesson on that yesterday as well, a little bit. Yeah,
Correct, correct.
Ruben and them will know. Ruben and them will know. Okay, so this is nat gas waiting for the inventories today. Nat gas inventories as well. Now soybeans gap down. Now it's done that. It's trying to do that again. The guy is thinking higher high, high lows. Think of channel and then go up. But I don't I don't think anyone here trades soybeans, or if they are trading soybeans as well, or forex account or whatever Nishan might, I would tell them to be very very careful
Okay.
because it opens up limit downs, yeah, and 1 point move on that on the futures Nishan Pai is $1,000, huh? So, and if we say like Wall Street, now you can say that soybeans probably trades more than Wall Street, Nishan Pai in a way. The liquidity or the money are going through that because it is the biggest source of protein. And also, soybeans is used in ceramics and all sorts of things like that, not just only as a food item, no? Okay, guys. Anyone? Oh, Ahmadiyya silver below F1. Good, good, good. I told you silver. I said the number before. You need to watch very carefully when it's going down. It's at 25.50. Yeah, that area. If it gets there, watch carefully. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. Okay. Last night, yeah. Nishal, while we were in the with work,
For yeah,
I was talking on Discord and Telegram with Haji Attila, na, and
yeah.
he had to
Bitcoin.
he had to pop out now. So I started trading. I did 3 trades in Bitcoin, na, and then I went to sleep. Yeah, at 1 o'clock
Okay.
in the morning. Yeah. So those trade actually the first one, Nishan Pai, it was like I posted it and 2 minutes it had landed.
Oh,
Then it went up, and then I said second bite at the cherry, and it had to kiss this number. And after about few minutes, it was there.
okay.
Yeah. And then I did the third one. Said I'm going to sleep now. Yeah.
Right.
and we're looking for this F1, F2 area now because I gave the daily levels in the night now. And
Mm.
when I woke up in the morning, it was already done, Nishan Bhai.
Okay.
And in fact, I think maybe we can see it here. I don't know. Where are we? Boom, boom, boom. No, this is daily levels. Crude. Yeah, crude. I said I put that dot. Yeah.
Right.
Let's see that one. Nifty. Second bite. Done. Okay. Yeah. This was the trade. Yeah.
Okay.
34159 shorted it. Yeah.
Right. Right.
And I said kiss this 3380.31. Yeah.
Mm.
And oh, we got here, so we can move this here. You can see, like, okay, timestamp would be great, yeah, because oh, okay, 130, yeah.
Right.
Still 130, trade done already, landed already, yeah.
Correct.
Then took second bite and said cherry done as well. Posted it
Mm.
at 34101, back again, doom done. Then went bed and done it, and dung 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 all the way. That was the line, that was the marker. Nishan bhai.
Okay.
So the Turkish ones can eat kebabs today, you know. They
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
eat kebabs, you know. Because what was happening is everyone is answering so late and I was getting bored, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
And those guys asked, you know, "Okay, Haji, can you help?" So I said, okay, I'm sitting here doing nothing. Let's do it, yeah? Let's do
Yeah.
it. Let's do it, idea. Because whenever we ask Haji Attila, wherever he is, the man never says no, yeah? Never
Correct.
says no
Correct.
because he is there for us 24/7, yeah? Okay, LTC, Litecoin. Okay, let it base and we will buy Litecoin. We'll buy Litecoin, yeah? Because it doesn't take that much margins and things as well, yeah? Ethereum, okay.
Tax is moving by.
Yeah, okay, look at it. Look at it. 15575, yeah? Ah,
Yeah.
okay, FTSE opened, yeah? It's 8
Yeah.
o'clock. Okay, FTSE open and is open down as well. So today all three are going down, yeah?
Correct.
So now after they will make the V shapes and we can buy Nishan buy.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We can buy now. But usually it does the opposite, you know, like I said to that one. So we wait and see when they start doing the opposite, yeah?
Right. Right.
But look at the DAX and FTSE are flowing very, very, very fast down, yeah?
Yeah. Very fast. Yeah. Very fast.
In fact, what we can do is to see it very quickly. We can do this. I can grab it from the other screen and see. Look at the move in here.
Yeah.
Look
Yeah.
at the move in here. Look, these are going fast.
Correct.
This is smaller, so it's fast. But see, S&P is lagging.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one is starting back. Yeah. Oil we know. But I pull this because we can see straight away in one instead of scrolling through so many charts.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Yeah. So okay, you got the idea on that and put. This is all Sami Bai's work, Nishant Bhai.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I never change it, look at it, never touch it to alter anything. Yeah,
Correct.
leave it just as it is. Ethereum as well. If you are aggressive, you can put your stop just below here and see if you can get it. Yeah, but if you have never traded it, don't experiment. Only experiment either as a paper trade or on your demo account. On live one, when you are certain you know the instrument, you've studied it, you know its capability, then and only then you look to trade live. Yeah. Okay. So these are all done, Nishal bhai. We have done the job. We've done the
Yeah.
job. We've done the job. So now we can ask them another set 10 minutes or 15 minutes because we've
Yeah.
done over an hour really. And the idea is to do a quick morning call.
Okay.
And then because we're going to do today again at the inventory
Evening. Yeah. Inventory time. Yeah.
inventory time. So 2:30 the American market opens.
Yeah.
So around 3 o'clock or whatever we will set it up again. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So then we do the inventories and whatever, and then they should have the answers to this as well. Yeah,
Right.
they should have the answers to this as well. Yeah. So anyone or private chat, somebody is shouting something maybe. Oh, he can. Ruben cannot hear me. Everyone can hear me. Ruben, maybe something issue with Ruben. Ruben can hear now. Okay, okay. Ruben can hear. Okay, because I just seen 802. Ruben cannot hear. Okay, maybe is and is Ruben sitting in a car and trading? Um, Ruben, driving and trading not good. Not good. Not good. You get fined as well. Be careful. Don't get. Aha. Okay. Okay. He's at home. Ah. Okay. You want to keep away from the wife and everybody and in peace and quiet. And that's good. You good thinking. Good thinking there. Good thinking. Good thinking. Good thinking. Okay. So, anyone, any questions? Anything want to ask or say, shout, scream, throw tomatoes, anything? Yeah. No, Nishant, I think everyone is okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we're okay. By I think
So I think
wrap it up. Yeah.
we can wrap it up because if no one has any questions, then I can go and have breakfast and we can have a nice coffee or whatever. In fact, talking about coffee, mine is already here. Never It's a never-ending supply. I have to, if I don't eat food, I'm fine. If I don't
Okay.
get, if I don't get coffee, it's murder. I have to have it. People drink beers. I drink coffee and get drunk. Caffeine
That's
drunk.
right.
Caffeine drunk. Yeah. Okay. So guys, you have your homework, your trade, the tools, the everything. Now you have to put it to practice, either on demo, on piece of paper, just watching, and the action, and then you update me as to what you did and how you did and why you did later, and uh, while we are on the all inventories. Okay, so I can say goodbye to everybody now. Nishant,
Yes, bye. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
right, yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3, gone. Okay, bye everybody. Bye bye. Bye bye bye.